Welcome to week 11. This week is going to be pretty difficult. Well, I shouldn't say that, but it is going to be time intensive. You're going to spend the most time on 6.3 and 6.4. So let's just jump down to section 7.1, simplified trigonometric expressions. I don't think you'll have any trouble with that. There's not even 10 problems to do. And so the way you're going to do that is you're going to use the Pythagorean, the reciprocal, and the quotient identities from that trig identity handout sheet. And I've put a copy of that sheet into this module because at the bottom are the ranges for the inverse trig functions that you need to memorize until you're done taking calculus. And so here's an image of that. You really do need to know these ranges. I like to memorize them with these pictures here. I find that easier, and I explain that in my video. So one of these videos is actually from me. Video 1 is just an overview of inverse trig functions, what they are, what their graphs look like. Video 2 is a bunch of examples from SUSE that are really good. And then, of course, I have some examples. And then there's a whole nother section of examples if you need to see more examples. Okay, section 6.4, solving basic trig equations. This is really important because when we solve harder equations, quadratic equations, they're going to boil down to solving simple equations. So this is really important, and also it's going to come down to how well you know your unit circle, because you'll be solving things like sine theta is a half, and theta is an angle between 0 and 2 pi. Well, that's going to come down to whether or not you know your unit circle, because sine theta is a half on the unit circle everywhere where the y coordinate is a half. And so you need to know those places. Okay, so this is a very important week, so be ready to spend some time on it.